In today's video, I will show you how to turn off Facebook notifications. First, open the Facebook app on your device and tap your menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines on Android or your profile picture in the bottom right corner on iOS. Did you know that the average smartphone user receives over 40 push notifications every day, and social media apps are the biggest contributors to that screen fatigue? Once you are in the menu, scroll down, go to Settings and Privacy, and select Settings. From here, look under the Preferences section and tap on Notifications. This opens up your complete notification settings dashboard where you can see all your activity categories. Scroll all the way to the bottom of this page and select either push, email, or browser depending on where you want to block the alerts. And then simply toggle off the notifications you no longer wish to receive. Now, there is another incredibly fast way to do this directly from your phone's home screen. Just tap and hold the Facebook app icon for a second, and then select App Info from the pop-up menu. From here, click on Notifications, and if you want to silence the app completely, just toggle off Allow Notifications, and you will not receive any alerts from Facebook from now on. Alternatively, if you still want some updates, you can look under the Notification Types section on this same page and manually toggle off only the specific categories you want to mute. And that's it! That's how you turn off Facebook notifications.